Okay, this is the test is tomorrow. You have a question like this, okay, on the test. So I gave you 3 practice problems to do. What is the y-intercept? In the form of 0b, find b, you replace it here for the graph to the left. Okay, y-intercept, this is your y line right here, and the y-intercept is right there. That's 0, -5. B is -5. So you're substituting this b, -5. That's why they say b is -5. Our y-intercept is 5. Write a linear equation for the graph to the left in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals to m. M is slope, x plus b. B is the y-intercept. Okay, so here's the b. We got b here already, -5. Okay, that's b right here. Slope, let's find another dot right there, right there, right there. So the slope is down 1 over 1, 2, 3. Down 1 over 1, 2, 3. Down 1 over 1, 2, 3. So down 1 over 3. So right here you put down 1 over 3, and don't forget the x. Plus a -5 or just a -5 is fine. And then y equals. That's slope-intercept form. Okay, write a linear equation that would have one solution to the given line to the left. So one solution means, in order to be one solution, different slope. Okay, so let's write one with one solution. Y equals, instead of -3 over x, I can do 4x plus 1,000. As long as this slope is different. So you can basically put anything, 10x, 1x, still 3x, 20x, plus whatever you want. The reason why it's one solution, as long as one solution, because the slope is different and the y-intercept doesn't matter. One solution because slope of -1/3 and 20 are different. That's what I'm looking for on your test tomorrow. Okay, so let's do this again. Y-intercept, the graph, right here, that's a y-intercept, that's 0, 1. So 0, 1, or b equals to 1 is fine too, because you're saying that's b. They're asking you to find b. Okay, write a linear equation to the left in slope-intercept form. Slope is m, intercept is b. So mx plus b, y equals to mx plus b. B is, we say 1. B is a +1. Slope, +1. Slope, right here. Up 1 over 1, 2. Up 1 over 1, 2. Up 1 over 1, 2. That's your slope. Up 1 over 2 each time, you see? So the slope is 1 over 2 for this one, x. Y equals to that, and that's your answer. Write a linear equation that would have no solution. No solution means this rate of change has to be the same. So no solution, rate of change, or let's use the word slope. Slope's shorter, is the same. The slope parentheses 1/2 is the same. So let me write another equation. Y equals to 1/2 x, and the y-intercept has to be different. Plus 225. I don't have to graph it. And the slope and the y-intercept is different. Okay. Alrighty. Next one. The y-intercept. It's going to be on the test if I'm putting 3 like this. Y-intercept here is 0, -3. Okay, so B is -3. Write a linear equation for the graph. Write a linear equation for the graph to the left in slope-intercept form again. Y equals to mx plus b. B is -3. So you put -3. Slope, okay, let's put in all the dots. Down 2, that's a -2, over 1. Down 2, over 1. Down 2, over 1. So down 2 over 1 is the same thing as -2. Okay, you can just put -2 here, x minus 3, y equals to that. Okay, write a linear equation that would have no solution. Oh, no solution again. Remember, no solution, rate of change is the same. Y equals -2x, and the y-intercept is different. So plus 3, like whatever. Okay, so slope's the same. Slope of -2 is the same, and a y-intercept is different. Is different. I need you to at least identify the rate of change here. Okay? Solve the following state of one solution, no solution, and infinite solution. Okay, this is easy enough. You guys have done so many of these, right? Least common denominator is 5. So times 5, times 5, times 5, times 5. That gives you 4h minus 50 equals to, oh no, least common denominator is 10. 5 doesn't go into 10. You see this? 10 doesn't go into 5. So I know I got the wrong least common denominator. Uh-oh, it should be 10. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Okay, 5 into 10, 2 times, that's 8h minus 100. 10 into 10 is 1. 1 times the -2 is a -2. Leave everything inside the parentheses alone. Minus 1. 10 times 12 is plus 120 h. Okay, negative that, you get -40h. Plus 2 plus 120h. 8h minus 100. Combine these. 80h plus 2 equals to 8h minus 100 minus 8h. You get 72h plus 2 is -100 minus 2 minus 2. One solution, 72h, -102. Divide by 72, divide by 72. H equals, reduce that to 51 over 36. Reduce that, divide by 3. Get H equals to 17 over 12. Negative. Don't forget your negatives. Okay. This one here, least common denominator 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. 24 m plus 4 equals to, this is one solution. Cross cancel, negative 5m plus 24. This is going to be one solution too, you know, because the coefficients are different, just like the slope. These are like the slope. They're different. And this is, of course, are different. So it's going to be one solution. Solve the, but it says solve the following. So you need to solve it. Add 5m, add 5m. You get 29m plus 4 equals to 24. Subtract 4, subtract 4. 29m equals to 20. Divide by 29, divide by 29. I'm doing this fast, so I'm hoping to get it right. Equals to 20 over 29. That's one solution, okay? Here, distribute, additive inverse, negative 6y plus a positive 6, negative 6y plus 2. Oh, this is for sure going to be no solution because rate of change or the coefficient are the same. The y-intercept are different. One solution. Or you can do it like this. 6y, 2 equals to 6. No solution. It means the lines are parallel and they'll never meet. Right? Okay, let's look at this one here. Oh, a lot of you didn't do this on the homework. If you didn't do this, I'm giving you half and calling home. Check your videos. Okay, here. For the following below, classifies one solution, no solution, infinite solution. That compare to that. The only way you can compare it is to make this an equation. To make that an equation, you need to start out with point slope. Y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. Okay, you need to go x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, y minus y1, which is 4, equals to m. Oh, we need to solve for m. We're going to box this answer because we're going to come and compare it to later. X minus x1, which is 6. Let's find m. We'll do m in blue. For slope, m is slope y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, m equals y2, which is 3, minus y1, which is 4 over 3 minus 6, negative 1 over 3. So negative 1 over 3 right there. Negative 1/3 x. Additive inverse, that's a positive 2. Y minus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Y equals to negative 1/3 plus x plus 6. Okay, compare that to this. Well, this is going to be no solution. I bet you I'm going to ask explain. No solution because the lines are parallel, because the rate of change are the same. Rate of change, slope's the same. And y-intercept are different. Okay. All right, this one here. A bike travels 8 miles per hour. Per means times. X. 8x. Y equals to 8x. Nothing else. Compare that together. One solution. Reason why it's one solution is because the rate of change are different. Oh, if it's one solution, you always need to state the solution. Rate of change is different. Okay, let's see. Let me tell you what the solution is. So you use substitution. 8x equals to 6x plus 10 minus 6x minus 6x. 2x equals to 10. X then is 5. 5 goes here. Okay, you need to put 5 here. Y equals to 8x. Substitute in 5. This 5 into here. Y is 40. One solution at 540. Okay, graph. Okay, it's going to say to graph on your test tomorrow. Let's graph this one. Negatives at 5. Go down 6 over 1. Down 6 over 1. Down 6 over 1. Up 6 over 1. Connect the dots. Okay. And let's solve this one here. See what that looks like. Minus 12x. Minus 12x. So you get 2y equals to 10 minus 12x. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Y is equals to 5 minus 6x. 5 is where your starting point is, right here. 5 is right here. Down 6 over 1, down 6 over 1. Oops, it's the exact same line. So this is called infinite solution when the lines are overlapping. Notice the rate of change are the same, and the y-intercept are also the same. This is called infinite solution. The lines overlap. Okay. All right, I'm going to save this and then continue working on the other so it doesn't